Hey everybody, New Horizon lawn care and apparently tree trimmers today. Clint's over there on the other side of this green thing called a tree, loading up stuff. We've been trimming and got some more trimming to do over there by the house. In the process of cutting what was left of that thing down, doing some other trimming, trying to make things where they can get in their lawn better and mow around it, and that thing's losing a bunch of limbs. So yep, we're gonna go over there next. Well, now we're up here trimming some of this tree back away from this house. This is the house we done the rut job, and as you can tell, she's looking really good. Can't ever tell there was ever ruts, or this didn't have grass, because now it's all green. They're back there finishing cleaning up. Just got a little bit more right there, and then they want this piece trimmed. So yeah, almost done there. Should hopefully have it on the ground tonight. That's gonna be fun. May have to throw a rope up there. We'll see. Well, it's hard to tell, but it's not touching the house anymore. Just got all this left to clean up. And a whole bunch more of the trees to cut this weekend, so stay tuned. So when you're cutting trees and it begins to rain, you go to Denny's, eat breakfast, and then sit in the truck with the heat on because it's really cold out. And wait for our other person to help. So we're probably going to be finishing up today in little light rain, but it's okay, we got our rain jackets. Okay, I need to raise this up. Well, we are here to trim that thing away from the house. Let's get to it. Well, you guys are doing a really good job cleaning up. We got Nathan Clark over there, and my partner Clint is over there. I got a big load. I'm at a big load. He's the one, the reflective. But I am pretty high up right now. Only about 35 feet, maybe 40. Working on this limb here. So, yeah. Trimming some trees. Only got 2 more left, but I don't know if we're gonna get to them today. It did finally quit raining. That's nice. All right, gonna do a little cleanup. Loaded up on the trailer. Tree looks so much better from here. right. Well, we got that all cleaned up. That looks really good. And now we're gonna load up this. I kind of raised the umbrella. That'll do. That'll work. Raise the umbrella up on it. So we're gonna. What'd you say?
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
Got his British accent.
Come on.
All right, we're gonna get this cleaned up. All right, got everything picked up. We've got some more to do. We've got a couple little dead pine trees over there to get rid of. Take those out. Those dead bushes up along the house are going to come out at a later time. We were just doing trees today. I'm going to have to clean up around the bottom of that tree. And yeah, everything looks really good here. Got all the tree cut back away from the house. Still looks like a very good tree. Don't look off shaped. Looks very good. Show you what we got over here. They're finishing up strapping on. We trimmed that guy over there. Can't really tell it's been trimmed. And then we got this guy back away from the house. You didn't really get a video of that, but it was raining pretty good and it didn't want my camera out in the rain. So cleared back away from the house. Looks really good. Looks very good, actually. That should be good. We left a little spot there in case you ever wanted to hang a swing. Oh, there's a monarch butterfly. You don't see them very often. Come here, buddy. What am I talking like it's a dog? Monarchs. See if I can catch him. I like monarch butterflies. You like monarch butterflies? Come here, little butterfly. Oh, he flew away. Oh well. We're gonna go dump this, and we've got one other little job to do, and we're done trimming trees. It's always nice to sit down and just watch life pass by. Actually, I'm on a trailer riding on it back to my truck, but that's a good thought. Man, I tell you what, I think he needs to go get his active driver's license. He got his out of a Cracker Jack box. But yeah, so this is where we dump stuff. Look at all that brush back there. Just look at it. Would you just look at it? So we got one more itty bitty job we're gonna do in Charleston. Gonna help a friend out trim something back away from his escape room that's in a semi-trailer, which we're gonna be doing a review on my other channel if you want to go check that out sometime soon. And we've got some really cool DJ lighting coming up too on the other channel too, so make sure you subscribe. So yeah, that's the old mulch after the trees get ground up. Yep, so stay tuned. We're gonna do one more and that's gonna be it for this. All right, now we're gonna trim this one a little bit. All right, well, we got the tree trimmed, and now I got to put the stabilizer legs up and get this thing ready to go back. So if you guys are in the area of Charleston, Illinois, or traveling, vacationing, and you want to go try out an escape room, why don't you come try this out? It's a semi-trailer that's an escape room. I don't think those are the right thingamabobs, but it is pretty colorful. And there's two of them. There's an escape room down here and an escape room over there. It's called the Runaway Train. Runaway Railroad. Well, it's about a train. And then there's escape rooms in here, but they are heated and air conditioned, so it's really nice. So come check it out. I'll have, do what? Funplacecharleston.com. I will have all the links to that in the description. Come check this guy out. Or if you're needing of inflatables, he's got inflatables, amusement games, and all kinds of stuff. Go check this guy out if you're looking for some inflatables or any of that good stuff. But yep, looks a lot better. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video today. I know it's been kind of crazy. We've had a little bit of tree trimming, we've had some more tree trimming and more tree trimming. So yeah, Zach's gonna clean this mess up and I'm gonna go take that back. Not that I wouldn't help him, but he's not doing it right now. He's just moving stuff out of the way. He's got a dumper trailer in the back of his truck. Yeah, we only had a regular trailer today. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and lots more awesome stuff coming soon. See ya.